Don't just buy it. Chase it.
It's into the last half an hour here on ChaseIt.tv with me and Jim Brewman. No, it's not Jim Brewman. That's a little racing driver in my little car. Sorry, Jimbo, if you're watching. What we've got here is a 1/6 scale of a Formula 1 racing car. This is remote control. I just love this. Now, look, I'm going to hold this up and just show you the speed you get with these wheels. And look at that. That is absolutely... the feeling of power. You know what? The vibrations are running through my body there. Now, the guide price of this is £145. Now, you've got your remote control. Obviously, you use this to go forward and backwards, but also you can turn the wheels on this by going left and right. There you go. You can see that on there. This would be ideal for all terrains because it has got great suspension on it. Also very hard wearing as well. Very durable, very robust. Be great out in the garden. You can create little hills for it to go over. Maybe do your own little obstacle course. Whatever you want to do. Now, the number to ring if you want to come through and chase this, as ever, you should have this in your quick dial by now, is 0905 60 99 666. Once you've rung that number, press 1 on your telephone keypad and you can be chasing for this little man right now.
Chase it.
OK, chasers, now you see it. Now you don't. Where is it? I'll tell you, it's down there because we are ready to chase.
£90.
Oh,
61.
sorry, that was a little bit heavy-handed there, chasers. But the great thing about this is it's very resilient.
£77.
Now, the guide price of this is £145, remember?
£42.
Now, of course, this is quite a small stage, so it's like I can't really get it up to full speed. Or I could, but it might go through the window if I'm not careful. Also quite slippy, so it's not got a huge amount of grip here. But imagine this out on your terrains in the back garden, your compost, your asphalt, all of that kind of thing. Oh, let's move that round.
£79.
The small and the big kids are going to absolutely love this. I know I do.
£95.
Your prospective Michael Schumachers, your Jensen Buttons. Look at the skids you can get on this as well. If I'm not careful, I'm going to be leaving skid marks, aren't I?
£38.
Crawley, Winifred, Ruthin, Liverpool, you're all there. Oh, hello.
£58.
Oh, I love it. I really do love it as well. Oh, come back.
£75.
Hear that hash key, chasers. Come on. Oh, knickers.
£91. £45.
Here we go. Oh, sorry. Do you know, I've got a bit heavy-handed, haven't I? Where's it gone?
£37.
Oh. Louth, Crawley, Stephen, Winifred. I'm just going to get it out. It's in a pit stop. Now, Barry, you get back to the camera, sir. You've got great filming to do here. You know that. Honestly, I don't like it. They like to help, but you know.
£92.
It's got a job to focus, bless it. £92. We've got 10 in the chase.
£3.
Oh, hello. So I'm looking where it's going on the screen, not realising it's careering into me. Luckily, it's very hard wearing, and so am I. OK, Ruth in Liverpool, Stephen Crawley, £36 as opposed to £145. That's the guide, remember. Come on through if you want to turn yourself into a little budding Michael Schumacher, a little willing Jensen Button. The clock is out. Come on through.
£35.
Stephen Winifred, come on through. Hit that hash key.
£48.
Oh, so it's gone straight down the hole again. Always the way. OK, guys, £48, 54. Chasers, I'm surprised. This is so much fun. No chasing action. We move on. The chase is over.
Thrill is in the chase.